If you need a free media player that can open almost any video or audio file, VLC Media Player is one of the best options available. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download and install VLC Media Player on your computer step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official VLC website. Type VLC Media Player into Google or go directly to the Videoland website. Once the page loads, click the big Download VLC button. The website should automatically detect your operating system like Windows or Mac. After clicking Download, wait for the installer file to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. Now the VLC Setup Wizard will open. Choose your preferred language and click OK. Then click Next to continue through the installation steps. You can leave the default installation settings enabled if you're not sure what to choose. Click Next again, then click Install. VLC Media Player will now begin installing on your computer. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. VLC should now open automatically. You've successfully downloaded and installed VLC Media Player. You can now use VLC to play videos, movies, music, and many other media formats completely free. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.